I have the 12-inch and the 14-inch Paisano pizza ovens, and I'm going to show you guys how the pizza stacked them next to each other. So this one here is a 12-inch pizza, and it is in the 14-inch Paisano pizza oven. It gives you a little room to be able to maneuver in there. The 12-inch is going to fit exactly at it, so it's going to be right inside when you close it. Let's go ahead, take a look at making the pizza, and then we can talk about all the bells and whistles on it while we're doing that. This is a frozen 12-inch pizza, but you can make it fresh and it also comes out great. This is the window where you see it, and then there's this gauge in the front that's actually going to tell you what the temperature is, and then there's two knobs at the top that you can control that temperature up to 800 degrees on. Usually I will lower the top temperature so that the cheese doesn't burn. The great thing is it doesn't just make pizza, it also makes calzones and a bunch of other things that you can make. If you look through the pictures, you'll be able to see the temperature that they recommend for each one, and it does come with the paddles. They are called pizza peels, and they're great for removing the pizza altogether from underneath, so you're not burning yourself or cutting up the pizza while you remove it. It has two handles on the side, so that you can actually turn it to different places, so you can adjust where the temperature is coming and how it's coming. Love being able to watch the pizza through the window. It just the cheese, what's happening with it. That way you know if it's about to burn or anything, so you can open it and take care of it. It also has the stone in there. Now don't be afraid of the stone. It is not going to keep looking nice and cool and clean. When it completely cools down, the stone, go ahead and scrape anything off of it and then wipe it down with a damp cloth. You don't want to put soap and water on it because soap and water will absorb into it and it's just not going to give the same taste in there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pizza and where it's at right now. I did turn on the top because I actually turned on the top a little too low. And the bottom was cooking faster than the top. So you have to adjust it to kind of get the right temperature. The way I didn't do it this time, but the way I usually do it, I'll put 800 for the bottom and then I'll put 600 for the top. If you're using fresh dough, you might want to put some also flour on the bottom so that actually it doesn't stick on there. But here we go with this beautiful pizza. Absolutely delicious. Yes, my pizza oven is very well used. We do use it quite often and absolutely love it, and I'll even turn it on and just when the kids are coming over, family, things like that, they absolutely love eating pizza out of it, especially if it's got a little bit of chard at the top. They just absolutely love the look of it, that it's fresh, homemade. Here's the pizza. It's crispy from the bottom. Now we have a thing. I like mine a little softer. My husband likes it well done and crispy. So, of course, he always wins with that. You can just adjust the time to the way you like it. But this is absolutely delicious and absolutely love it. I didn't know you can actually get the frozen pizza and have it come out so good.